Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a hip carry in your Izmi Baby carrier. Couldn't be any easier. So we start with cross strap always. You can't do a hip carry if you have straight straps, so this technique actually works for every carrier that has cross straps. And what you do is you're going to loosen a little bit on each side, and you're going to start to move baby to the side you want to carry them on. So you start to move baby to the side like that. And then you find that strap just naturally come off. Just take it off your shoulder. And you are going to bring that slack around your back. And retighten, pull back or forward. Make sure you're spreading out to shorten the strap, and then you can retighten the other side. Hip carrying, usually from around 3 months, that's roughly when babies start to be a bit more nosy. They want to look around, give them a lot more visibility, and it's quite long lasting options as compared to facing out, so they can fall asleep like that and you can engage with them, and it's actually quite comfortable. As they get bigger, have better head control, you can always let them have one arm or even 2 arms out if they wanted to. Make sure the top of the panel is right into the armpit. It's very important for best support. And that's it. And then to go back into a front carry, you just loosen, come back. And then you're just gonna retighten on each side. And that's it. That's how you do a hip carry. Thank you.